Hi, it's Andy from Styles, and I want to introduce you to the future of heat printing. Projection alignment has arrived, and it's here to make your life easier. If you struggle getting a transfer in the same place every single time, we're here to fix that problem for you. Hi, it's Andy from Styles, and today I want to talk to you about the ProPlace IQ and the future of heat presses. Many of you will already be familiar with the dual air fusion, which has dual workspaces, so the heat press can go from side to side and you can get your work done so much quicker. But we're ready to take that to a whole nother level with the Hotronix ProPlace IQ system. This brings projection alignment into the world of heat printing. This is something that's going to change your life as a heat printer. It's going to save you so many days a year because it's going to speed up the process of aligning your artwork, getting it in the same place every single time. This is one of the most common questions we get here with the Hotronix machines. I love your heat press, but how do I make sure my artwork is in the same place every time? How do I make sure the operator is going to get it right every time? So here to solve that problem for you. Today, we're going to do a walkthrough of just how easy it is to use a projection alignment in your business. To achieve this next level of heat printing, we have projectors on either side of the dual air fusion, and this means it will project your transfer design onto the bottom platen, so you'll be able to take your heat transfer and guide it to the light. This means it will be in exactly the same place every single time. It'll also take out that really annoying part where you have to measure where the t-shirt is every single time, coming down from the seam, in from the seam, especially if you're doing volume. This is a really terrible use of your time. So I want to walk through the process of how you can get into projection alignment and some of the advantages this is going to have for your business. So the next question is, what heat transfers are compatible with the ProPlace IQ system? To make your life simpler, we've made all of our heat transfer processes available with a clear carrier. So if you're looking to do single image work with units of 50 or more, we have Intra, which is a plastisol transfer, which is great for volume work, especially if you're doing one color. If you're doing short run, full color heat transfers with gradients and tones in them, we have our Ultra Color Max direct to film heat transfer. And if anything above 20 units, which is full color, we recommend using an Ultra Color digital hybrid transfer because you're going to get really great price breakdowns the more you order. All of these come with a clear carrier, so when you're guiding your transfer to the light, you can see everything you need. But the only part that's covering on the t-shirt is the transfer ink. Get hold of all these transfers, just head to custom.styles.co.uk, choose from the menu which transfer type you want. If you're still unsure, we have a guide there of what to order when, but all of these are compatible with the ProPlace IQ. Pick a transfer process you want depending on how many you're ordering. At this point, it'll prompt you to pick a layout. If you're using the ProPlace IQ, I would probably recommend going for a layout that best suits the size of your finished transfer, and we can pre-cut them for you. But of course, you can use a gang sheet if you need to. It's entirely up to you. Once you select your layout, upload your artwork, pick the quantity, hit order, and in 2 days' time, they'll be arriving on your door ready to press. Once you place your transfer order, the next step I would recommend is to upload your artwork straight away to the IQ portal. Anyone who buys a Fusion IQ machine from Hotronix has access for free to the IQ portal. You head to iq.hotronix.com, and this is where you register your heat presses, you can register the users for your heat presses, you can get reports of usage. This is where you can see exception reports, so anything that is not being fused correctly. You have a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips, but as well as that, you also have access to the ProPlace IQ area of the IQ portal now. And this is where we're going to upload some artwork, and automatically it's going to appear on the screen and you'll be able to project it down onto a platen straight away. So you've ordered your heat transfers, you've uploaded the artwork to the IQ portal. The next step is 2 days later, transfers arrive, express delivery from Styles, so we can get straight to printing. So let's take our heat transfers and let's get that projection alignment up and running. We're now ready to do some heat printing. We've got the ProPlace IQ set up. If you're looking for more videos on how to install this system, they are available on the instructions tab of the product page and on our YouTube channel. So we log into the IQ portal. There's more resources there available as well. So if you need to set up your heat press initially, you can do that just there. You also have the reporting area. This is where you can see how hard your heat press is working and get reports on individuals and how they might be using the heat press. Are they using it properly? Are they trying to save time? And you can sometimes find some faults in any application process as well. Then you move to the heat press tab. This is where you register all your Fusion IQ machine, and if you haven't done this, it's really important you do this so you can see all your heat presses in one place. Then you can move to the users tab. This is where you can set your managers and your standard users, and just gives you a little bit of control about who can change what on the machine instructions. Finally, we have the ProPlace IQ system, which is why you're all here today. And the way I would use this system is I would create folders either by particular product type or by customer type, so you can hold all of their designs in one place. So that way you know exactly what to do every single time. You don't have to figure out the placement at the beginning every time. If it's repeat work, you could just go to the folder, select the artwork, and it'll be ready to print straight away. Today, we're actually going to be doing a horizontal design. So this is one of the trickier designs where people use up a lot of their time with the placement, getting it wrong. So the first step is to find the horizontal folder and then select that artwork. Now the artwork has appeared, it's really simple. We've uploaded this at the right size with an angle that we want. So all we need to do now is project. Because I'm using a 40 by 50 centimeter pattern today, I'm just going to select this option here. If I was changing it to a smaller pattern, I had it either horizontal or vertical, I have the option to project depending which way I'm using it. So we've selected your artwork for projection now, and you can see it's beaming down onto the bottom pattern, and this is going to be in the same place every single time. So all you need to do is thread your t-shirt on, take your heat transfer, and you just guide it to where the transfer is, just like that. Even a difficult placement like a diagonal print is now done in a matter of seconds. No longer do I have to take that t-shirt, measure down from there, measure in from there. This is the most efficient way to get your transfer in the same place every single time and guarantee accuracy and consistency with every single print across the whole job. Just a reminder, you take your heat transfer and you just guide it to the light. Find a place of reference and you can place it in the exact same place every single time, even with difficult prints like this. If you're interested in knowing just how much time you can save, we do have a video on our YouTube channel, as we managed to save 86 working days per year using this new setup. Just head to our channel there and you'll be able to find that video. So let's press this design. So I'm also going to be using the air power of the Dual Air Fusion, which again means that I'm going to be getting the perfect pressure in every single print and perfect application that way. It's another one of those great additions to having this ProPlace setup. You get the dual workstation and you get the air power, and all your instructions are pre-programmed. So now we'll just peel away, remove the t-shirt, and just like that, the first t-shirt of your job is done. So to recap, the ProPlace IQ system takes dual-headed heat presses to a whole nother level, and it takes heat presses like a clamshell to a new stratosphere. It's really that much of a game changer because it can take a really difficult part of placing your artwork in the same place every single time and make it simple. All our heat transfer systems, be it plastisol or full color, are available with a clear carrier option and available to order now with the quickest turnaround in the UK. To get the ProPlace IQ, the most in-demand heat press on the market, just head to styles.co.uk and order yours now.